Welcome back to Product Critique, the place where we test, review, and break down everyday products so you don't have to. In today's video, we're diving into what I consider to be the best latex-free disposable gloves in the medium-size category. Yes, we're talking about the MedPride Disposable Multi-Purpose Nitrile-Vinyl Blend Exam Gloves. First off, let's talk about what sets these gloves apart. MedPride has created a unique nitrile-vinyl blend that gives you the durability of nitrile and the flexibility of vinyl. These aren't your regular disposable gloves. They're designed with skin sensitivities in mind, powder-free, latex-free, and even rubber and protein-free. That means if you've got allergies or irritation from traditional gloves, these are a safe bet. Putting them on is easy. The ambidextrous design means there's no fumbling around, and they fit comfortably without being too tight or too loose. Whether you're wearing them for medical tasks, food prep, cleaning, or even arts and crafts, the fit and dexterity make a huge difference. And that brings us to versatility. MedPride's gloves are marketed as multi-purpose for a reason. In one day, you could go from chopping onions to disinfecting surfaces to touching up a paint job, and these gloves can keep up through all of it. They come in a box of 100, nicely packed in a pop-up dispenser box so you can grab and go with zero hassle. Now let's talk about strength. For disposable gloves, these are surprisingly strong. They won't rip easily when you're tugging them on, and they maintain their structure even after prolonged use. This is key if you're handling sharp tools or dealing with wet, slippery surfaces. Tactile sensitivity is also impressive. You can still use your phone, feel textures, and perform delicate tasks like changing a bandage or prepping ingredients. MedPride seems to have found a sweet spot between comfort and protection, and for general-purpose gloves, that's not easy to achieve. Beyond the product itself, it's worth noting the peace of mind that comes with the MedPride name. The brand backs their gloves with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if for any reason they don't meet your expectations, you've got a simple way out. To wrap it up, if you're looking for a reliable, skin-safe, and affordable disposable glove, MedPride's Nitrile-Vinyl Blend Exam Gloves are a clear winner. Medium size, non-sterile, and built for real-world tasks, they're exactly what you need, whether you're in a clinic, a kitchen, or just tidying up your space. You can check them out via the link in the description. If you've used these gloves before, let me know your experience in the comments. And if there's another brand you want us to test, drop the name below. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a review that saves you time and money. See you in the next one.